In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux VirtualBox on Windows. At first, go to this website and download, then virtual machines, then download VirtualBox. I have already downloaded it. Then go to this website VirtualBox, Windows host, then download it. After that, open your downloads folder and install VirtualBox. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. So after installing, close it, then open the OVA file. Okay, so I'm going to install it on, on this one. So click import and agree. It may take up to 10 to 15 minutes, depends on your system configuration. When it's done, you will see Kali Linux VirtualBox. Select, then start. As you can see, it's working completely fine. If you face any error, make sure to comment on this video. Thank you for watching.